Once upon a time, somewhere in a jungle, there lived a furry fox. Every day he roamed here and there in search of food. On a summer day, he didn't find anything to eat. He was looking desperately for some food. He said to himself, "Oh God, what a cruel hot day. I had not eaten for 2 days." Being tired and hungry, he was about to lose his patience. He again said to himself, "I do not know how long I can walk in this scorching heat. If I do not find something soon, I am going to die." He did not notice that he had entered a vineyard. Suddenly he noticed a beautiful bunch of ripe grapes hanging from a vine from the branches of a tree. The fox didn't believe his luck. He said to himself, "Thank God, at last I can fill my stomach." The grapes seemed ready to burst with juice, and the fox's mouth watered as he gazed longingly at them. The fox thought in his mind, "How marvelous! Those grapes seem very juicy. I will fill my stomach with those juicy grapes today." He tried to catch the branches of the grape tree, but he couldn't. He said irritatingly, "These branches are very high. What should I do now? Should I jump? Yeah, let's try again by jumping." The first time he jumped, he missed it by a long way. The fox scowled and said again, "This is not working. I think I should run a little and then jump to catch those branches." So he walked off a short distance and took a running leap at it, only to fall short once more. Again and again he tried, but in vain. Now he sat down and looked at the grapes in disgust. He disgustedly said, "What a fool I am. I am wearing myself out to get a bunch of sour grapes that are not worth gaping for." Then he walked away very scornfully. Moral: it is easy to give up, but the real strength is built when we keep fighting until we succeed. In this story, the fox failed and left with bitterness.